Now for paying customers, on the subscription, we also have a referral program. If you click referral program, you can register to get a referral code. That code is designed so that you can give another company a discount on Traks, and then you will also receive a credit for a free month of premium tracking access. So this company has not joined the referral program yet, so I'll just click Get Referral Code. And now, if I recommend Traks to another company, I'll just make sure I send them this code, and it'll show me how many times my code has been redeemed down here. There are no limit to the number of referrals that you can give, so you could theoretically have a free membership forever if you keep referring people and they sign on and subscribe. The promo code is used in the checkout, and it'll ask for a promo code on the left side of the screen if you're on a desktop, or at the very top of the screen if you're on mobile. And they just need to type in your promo code here, and they will get a 10% discount on their subscription, and you will get a free month of Traks Premium.